Hi guys, welcome to Hardest Info channel. Today I have Nokia C01 Plus and I want to show you how to manage your Google passwords on this device. Our first step to do that is from main menu swipe up and go to the Google Chrome, where we press three dots on the right corner and navigate to the settings. In it, Password Manager, and there we can manage our password. We can turn on or turn off function like save passwords, auto sign-in, or we can manage our passwords which our Nokia remember, in this case to our Facebook account. To manage it, we must press that. And now we can copy our email and passwords, and after we press this ice icon, our Nokia show us password which remember. We can delete it by trash icon and confirm by delete passwords, and we don't have any passwords will appear here which our Nokia remember right now. That's all, thanks for watching, see you soon, bye.